Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WooCommerce and Zoho Books. This integration streamlines your e-commerce workflow by automatically syncing orders, inventory, and customer data between your online store and accounting software, saving you hours of manual data entry. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready, as you'll need proper access to complete this integration. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it to reveal all the configuration options available for your Zoho Books account. This is where you'll access the tools needed to connect external applications. From the settings menu that appears, scroll down until you locate the section labeled Extensions and Developer Data under Integrations and Marketplace. Here, click on Marketplace. This is Zoho's central hub for all available integrations and add-ons that can enhance your accounting system's functionality. You'll now be directed to the Zoho Books app marketplace. Look at the right side of your screen where you'll see a search bar. Type in WooCommerce to find the specific integration we need. This search function helps you quickly locate the right app among hundreds of available options. In the search results, you'll see an option listed as Integration with Zoho Books for WooCommerce. Click on it to proceed. This is the official integration that will connect your WooCommerce store with your Zoho Books accounting system. You'll now land on the WooCommerce overview page. Take a moment to read through all the key features and compatible additions listed here. This step is important because you need to verify that your current Zoho Books plan supports this integration. Once you've reviewed everything and confirmed compatibility, click on Visit Website. A pop-up window will appear requesting permission and asking you to validate the terms and agreement for the app you're about to integrate. Read through these terms carefully as they outline how data will be shared between the two platforms. Once you agree with all the terms, check all the boxes and click Visit Website again. Finally, you'll be redirected to the WooCommerce website. From here, log in to your WooCommerce account to complete the integration. This final authentication step connects both platforms and begins the syncing process. Your orders, inventory, and customer information will now flow seamlessly between WooCommerce and Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.